I'm Heather from the Nocatee Welcome Center, and I am thrilled for this walkthrough Wednesday because we are in the beautiful Colony at 20 Mile. And today I'm joined by my partner in crime, Kelly, half of the Kelly and Eric team, and she is going to show us this beautiful ICI model. And this is one of their two models here in the Colony at 20 Mile. Thanks for having us, Kelly.
You're welcome for coming. This elevation has a nice front porch. Absolutely beautiful. Put some chairs out here and just enjoy the poor weather.
Beautiful, and also the architectural features of this elevation is just beautiful outside.
Yes,
so people will see that. Here, let me get this curl.
Thank you. Ooh, wow.
Great entryway. Now, oh, look at the ceiling.
Yep, sorry,
make sure you
stepping
get it.
back.
That's beautiful. And the walls, I love this attention to detail.
The designers did a great job.
And Kelly, will the builder ICI, will they do all of these upgrades that we're going to see in this model home today?
They sure will.
I love hearing that. So everyone, if you want any of these amazing upgrades that Kelly's going to show us as we go through, please know they will do it. So this is one of the bedrooms. How many bedrooms are in this home?
So this is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath home, a little over 2,400 square feet.
That's a nice size. So many people that come into the Welcome Center do want that. They always call it that 2,500 square footage range.
Storage.
Nice storage. A full bathroom. And wait, hold on. More storage. And another bedroom. So this is really cool that 2 bedrooms on the left side of the home, separated by a full bath that those 2 bedrooms would share. However, both have their own private, you could say storage area, or let's go to the right, Carling, actually.
Yep.
Or coat closet you've got, linen closet, but I love that.
Yes.
Very cool.
And then off to this side, you've got
Look at that.
beautiful laundry room.
Wow.
Now this laundry room is very long and actually wide. This is a great size laundry room. And I love, now ICI has went ahead and put in beautiful built-ins. You do not have to do this. You could even put in a piece of furniture in here with your washer and dryer. There's lots of options because of the depth of this exact laundry room. I love this. Another full bath and another bedroom. So this would be the 4th bedroom.
Yes, it is.
Or this could be an office, because I love where this is located. This particular room, we're right off of the car. Is it 2-car?
It is. It's a tandem garage.
2-car.
So it's
Okay.
Yep.
You can put the golf cart in there. Love it.
Lots of storage area. All of that good stuff. Somewhere to put the bikes.
Oh,
too.
very
Oh,
important.
yes.
Yes, because with the Colony, you guys have the Colony Park, which I want to talk about as we're looking at this beautiful big space that Carly's going to show and Kelly will discuss in one second. But I want to let everyone know that this particular community has its own homeowner association park called the Colony Park. And that park has a dog park, children's playground with swings, equipment. It's amazing. And with the dog park, people are talking about it because I do believe in this one there's a separation. It could be for large and small dogs, but this is just a great dog park. I just want to tell everyone that. So this space that we're walking into is the most perfect, entertaining space I've been in.
Wow.
Really, there's no wasted space in this house.
There's not.
So if you're somebody that is not looking for a formal dining room, this is a great floor plan with us. Because it doesn't have that formal dining room.
But a huge
space
space
there. Yes.
And then look at the island. If you can get this, Carling.
Oh,
look
yes.
at the pantry.
Oh, look at
really
all
long
this.
island, and I love the chairs that they put in. They put in these stools right here. They put in 4, and these are large. So to be honest with you, you could easily put 5, 6 chairs back there. It's just the style that they chose. And also, I do want to look in this pantry because people were talking about this pantry after the Colony grand opening. Now, ICI did something a little different than a lot of builders do. They went ahead and put in a custom pantry in there. They did the custom shelving, so it's very designer upgrades, but it also is just showing you all the great things you can do in this pantry. This is a huge, huge walk-in pantry though. So of course, when you buy it, it is empty. However, you could do those designer upgrades with
And I love the
ICI.
sink in this one.
Oh,
Of course, this is an upgraded sink, but absolutely a beautiful. It makes me want to wash dishes.
It does. And it's huge. The beautiful farm sink. This countertop is breathtaking.
And then again, in every one of our homes, I love this.
I love
soft
clothes.
Well, no, the cabinet,
huge.
the drawers.
huge drawers.
So that they're
And
not cabinets.
and these aren't fake, by the way, right below. You know how a lot of
Yeah.
times it's fake below the gas range.
Yeah.
So this is great. And the floating shelves, very
Love it.
popular now. That's a
Yes.
nice trend that's going on. And this is that space Kelly was talking about, this large eating space. But to be honest with you, if you had some dining room furniture and you just didn't want to get rid of it, the good news is this is wide enough and
Yes.
long enough that you could fit all of it in this space.
You could.
Okay, before we go into the owner's suite, I want to look at this outdoor kitchen, outdoor living space, and then Carlin will actually flash back into the house and show
Yes.
the living area, because with ICI, what they've done always a great job, even down in their other Nocatee neighborhoods, because they are all over Nocatee. And one thing ICI is known for is how well they do their outdoor living space in combination with indoor. It's just something you really have that reputation for. And this is outstanding.
It is. We've got the pergola with the shades and the Bahamas shutters with the fire pit. I mean, what a great entertaining area.
Wow. This really is breathtaking. And what's really cool is ICI has their other model next door, but they're showing that in the colony you can have fences. So go ahead and just show that
Yeah,
fence, because that's
yeah.
an ICI home right there.
Yep.
And with this fence, it's the black wrought iron, which is beautiful. So it's nice that you can either choose to do that in your backyard, or with this particular ICI model, they created their own privacy by building these beautiful walls, and like you were talking about, the Bahamas shutters. But let's get Carly all of this space
Yeah.
and then showing the indoor entertaining, because of the way this living room is. I mean, this really is outstanding.
It is. And the great thing about the colony is that we have got some great lots. We really do. All the builders do. We have the preserve and water lots.
Yes.
So lots of privacy.
And this is, and actually that's a good point, because this particular lot is on halfway on a pond, and then also part of the colony park. So this would be ideal actually if you have whether children or dogs, to be honest with you. This would be a great lot. But look how they've created privacy also with the beautiful trees back there. Or you can choose not to have them. That's great. I'm really, really just beyond impressed with this particular home. Again, as we're walking into the owner's suite, tell us, again, the square footage, bedrooms, bathrooms, car garages of this house.
So it is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath home. It is a tandem garage, so technically it's a 3-car garage. And it is a little over 2,400 square feet.
Perfect. It is honestly, everyone, this is a perfect size home and a 1-story, which is what so many people want.
Yes.
They want that 1-story.
And
Look
our
at
standard
this.
height on the ceilings is 10 foot, which also helps make that house feel a little bit larger
Yes.
than it actually is.
Yes, absolutely. And again, look at that beautiful
Oh,
windows, the
beautiful
picture
windows.
windows.
Beautiful.
This is absolutely beautiful. And what's nice is this is part of your backyard right here.
Yes.
So everyone, what they did in that beautiful outdoor living space right next to it is a huge, huge grass area. So if you have your own pet or you have kids, they still have plenty of a backyard to play in.
Yes, they do.
Okay, everyone, I am very excited to show this bathroom, because here's what happened. We walked in here and I was like, Kelly, this is the most unique bathroom I've ever been in. I love that the shower
Wow.
is in the center. It separates the 2 different vanities on either side, so you don't have to share. Normally the double vanity is always on the same side.
Yeah.
It's really nice. You really have separated it. And also you do have a linen closet in here, which I love.
More storage.
More storage. And it's a nice size shower, but it's not too big. And then actually ICI did choose, they put the tub in here, but you don't have to have a tub if that's not something you want. But if you do, it's beautifully placed in the corner. And then this closet,
Let's check
again,
it out.
they went ahead and did the designer upgrades using the beautiful built-ins. You do not obviously have to do this.
Nope.
But I love that y'all showed this, because this is a very long closet and a lot of space. Everyone knows I love a closet. And no, this is a great, great closet. Lots of shelving. Again, I am beyond just so impressed. ICI Homes, you guys have been with the Park Group here in Nocatee for many, many years, have a great reputation. I know you're going to sell out quickly.
Yes, we are.
All of the builders are going to sell out.
Yes.
The Colony really is, actually it's the newest neighborhood in Nocatee, but now it's one of the hottest neighborhoods in Nocatee.
It is.
We are actually only, I want to remind everyone, 4.5 miles to your feet in the sand. This neighborhood, along with all the Nocatee neighborhoods, have sidewalks in them, sidewalks connecting each neighborhood, but you have a sidewalk the entire way to Ponte Vedra Beach. So get on that bicycle, come out here to the colony, buy your ICI home today. Thanks for having us,
You're
Kelly.
welcome. You're welcome.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.